morning, students. Welcome once again for another sum on branch accounts. Let's see the sum straight away. From the following details, compute the profit and loss made by the branch. Opening stock 45,000. Goods sent to branch 1,35,000. Sales at branch 1,80,000. Cash sent to branch for salary 50,000. Other expenses 6,000. The branch manager is entitled a commission of 5% before charging such commission. Please make a note before charging. And it is known that the branch usually sells at cost plus 20%. So cost plus 20%. So this particular question is asked so many times. April 2016, 2001, 2012, 2004 in different universities. For Madras University, it has been asked more than 3 times. So you must be very. See the solution part. You have to prepare the branch account as the Trichy branch account is given. So we'll be preparing Trichy's branch account. Debit, credit, particulars, rupees. And then first one, we have opening stock of 45,000. So please record the opening stock on the debit side of the branch account at 45,000. And then next we have goods sent to branch 1,35,000. So please record that 1,35,000 on the debit side. I have written GSB in the short form, goods sent to branch. Next we have sales at branch 1,80,000. That will be recorded on the credit side of the branch account. So 1,80,000 the remittances. And the next one we have goods sent to branch we recorded, opening stock we have recorded. So goods sent to branch, opening stock, sales at branch we have recorded. And we have cash sent to branch for salaries 15,000 and other expenses 6,000. So you have to record that 15,000 and 6,000 on the debit side of the branch account. Let's see what is next. We have here the branch manager is entitled for a commission of 5% before charging. So make a note before charging the commission, and it is known that the branch usually says that cost plus 20%. That we have to keep in mind while preparing this. So to find out the closing stock, as since the closing stock is not given, so we use this particular formula: cost of sales is equal to opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. As a cost of sales here it is, we take the sales at the branch as a cost of sales, the 1,80,000, since it is cost plus 20%. So 1,80,000 into 100 by 120. How it is 100 by 120? So 100 plus 20. 20% is a cost plus, so we are adding 20%. So is equal to opening stock 45,000. So opening stock here 45,000. So we have to take from here the opening stock 45,000 plus purchase. So purchase, that is goods sent to branch 1,35,000 is considered as a purchase. So whatever the purchase they have sent it to the branch. So 1,35,000 is the purchase value minus closing stock, that is X. We are going to find out. And now, so add these two, 45 plus 135, it's 1,80,000, and if you calculate this one, we'll get 1,50,000. So closings, to find out the closing stock, this will go this side, and we'll get 30,000 as a closing stock, and that closing stock will be recorded here. That is why I have marked here a special mark. So this calculation, so we have recorded the 30,000. Now total it comes around 2,10,000. So 2,10,000 minus of this for 6,000, 15,000, 1,35,000 and 45,000. So if you calculate that, if you minus these 45, 135, 15 and 6,000 from 2 lakh 10,000, you will be getting 9,000 rupees. You will be getting 9,000. From that we have to provide 5% commission to the managers. So 5 by 100, that comes around 450. So that comes around 450. Here it is clearly said that before charging commission, that is commission of 5% before charging such commission. So 5% before charging commission is given. So before putting the profit, we have to give commission. So what of the amount which comes out of that? So amount comes around 9,000, and out of that we are providing 5% commission. This is before charging commission. So 9,000 to 5% is 450. So that deduct it, and the balance will be the net profit 8,500 8,550. So we got 8,550. I hope you have understood the question. And this in this particular question, calculation closing stock, it's very important. Make a note of it. This particular question is asked more than 3 times in the University of Madras, and it has been asked for other universities also. With that, I hope you have understood the question. And if you have any doubts, please text me. I'll try to clarify your